Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to this instructional video for the biogas plant building activity as part of the lessons exploring climate change through STEM. This instructional video will take you through step by step how to prepare the activity and then how to deliver it with your class. A biogas plant is a factory where organic matter known as feedstock is broken down by bacteria to generate biogas, which can be used as a fuel source. So, let's get started. In order to prepare for the activity, you'll need the following kit: a set of kitchen scales, a measuring jug, 960 grams of your feedstock, which is onions, a large mixing bowl, and a hand blender. To begin, take 960 grams of the feedstock or onions and place it into the mixing bowl. Then add 960 millilitres of water. Using the hand blender, blitz this mixture until it forms a paste. At this point, set the bowl aside. This will be used by the pupils as the feedstock for their controlled biogas plant. And you should then rinse the hand blender to remove any excess paste. In order to carry out the experiment with your class, your pupils will need the following equipment: a clear plastic bottle, clean, without narrow opening at the top to allow a balloon to be stretched over the top, a helium-grade balloon, funnel or a jug will do, 240 millilitres of your feedstock paste, some duct tape, a marker pen, and the biogas production table, which is found in the booklet provided as part of these lessons. When your pupils are ready to carry out the experiment, ask them to pour the 240 millilitres of the feedstock paste into the bottle using the funnel. Working in pairs, ask the pupils to stretch the neck of the balloon over the neck of the plastic bottle until it's fully attached to the bottle. They should do this by holding the bottle upright to avoid any spills. Once it's attached, you need to make sure that the balloon stretches right down to the bottom of the lip of the bottle to ensure a full seal. Just like that. Continuing to hold the bottle upright, ask the pupils to use the duct tape to create a seal between the balloon and the bottle. This is to make sure that no gas escapes from the bottle. Just like that. Thanks for your help. Now ask the pupils to label their bottle with the word control using the marker pen, as well as at least one name from a person in their group. This is their controlled biogas plant. The pupils should then store their biogas plant in a well-lit area that's away from direct sunlight. It should also be at room temperature, allowing the bacteria in the feedstock to work for a week. So, at this point, pupils should go back to the biogas plant every day at the same time to record the circumference of the balloon. They can record the results in the biogas production table in centimetres. If the balloon's flat, they can record it as 0 centimetres. Now at this point, you should encourage the pupils to think about what is happening in the experiment. So, what is happening here? Well, the feedstock contains gasifying bacteria. These bacteria undergo respiration, converting the feedstock into methane gas and water. The methane they produce is what causes the balloon to inflate. After a week, discuss with your pupils any ways that they could improve on their biogas plant. Encourage them to think about a way they could change a single variable in the experiment. Now, to make it a fair comparison, you should discuss with them that they can only change this single variable. They can then use this to make a second biogas plant, again only changing this single variable. So we hope you've enjoyed this activity and it encourages your pupils to think about climate change in a different way.